Introducing the Q-FPIT Pendulum Impact Tester for plastic film, a precision-engineered instrument designed to evaluate the impact resistance of plastic films, composite films, metallic foils, and more. Manufactured in strict accordance with ASTM D3420 and international standards, this instrument delivers reliable and accurate testing results. Equipped with a semi-globular impact head, the Q-FPIT efficiently fractures samples at a defined ram speed. It precisely measures energy consumption, estimating the pendulum impact resistance with accuracy up to 0.001 joules. This advanced tester is ideal for evaluating food and drug packaging films, including PE/PP composites, aluminum-plated films, aluminum plastic composites, and nylon films. Beyond plastic films, the Q-FPIT also meets the needs of paper and sheet testing, such as for cigarette packaging materials and Tetra Pak composites. Whether for scientific research, academic education, laboratory use, or quality control, the Q-FPIT Pendulum Impact Tester is your trusted solution for precise and dependable impact resistance testing.